There are various types of relationships involved in thesaurus. Some are hierarchical. The first one is hierarchical. Hierarchical relationships are used to indicate terms which are narrower and broader in scope. A broader term means BT is a more general or superordinate term. Reciprocally, a narrower term is a more specific or subordinate term. BT and NT are used to indicate genus-species relationship or whole and part relationship. Thesaurus entry. Thesaurus entry includes descriptor, scope note. Wherever needed, scope notes are involved. Means to decide in which context a particular descriptor is used. Then it includes broader term, narrower term and related terms. Another type of relationship is equivalence relationship. The equivalence relationship is used primarily to connect synonyms and near synonyms. In natural language, various types of synonyms are there, and for indexing language, we have to limit the keywords. That is why equivalence relationship is used. It uses use and used for indicators which authorize the term to be used for another unauthorized term. Used for means UF. Terms are often called entry points, lead-in terms or non-preferred terms, pointing to the authorized term or descriptor that has been chosen to be used for the concept. Another type of relationship is associative or affinitive relationship. These are used to connect two related terms whose relationship is neither hierarchical nor equivalent. This relationship is described by the indicator related term, that is RT. Cause effect, thing property, property process are all associative type of relationships. Then there are various types of thesaurus. The first type is general and the other one is special. General thesaurus, it includes all terms involved in a particular subject area, whereas special thesaurus is a specialized thesaurus which is designed for particular user groups. Discipline, specific vocabularies and professional terms are selected and are arranged. For example, thesaurus for engineering or for medical thesaurus. Variations of thesaurus. Clasaurus and Thesaurofacet are variations in thesaurus where it is merged with faceted classification schemes. Then there are online and electronic thesaurus. Online thesaurus is becoming popular due to search behavioral changes of users. Advantages of an online thesaurus over print thesaurus are search capability from multiple reference sources including etymological, dictionary, thesaurus, encyclopedia, web source index and others. Efficient and fast retrieval with the fingertip, cut and paste capability of findings. Online reference sources are often free for users since they are financially supported by advertisement on web.